Hello everyone, my name is Brooke Hurd, and if you have been following along, then you know that this is part 5.5, we'll say, of our OneNote series. And instead of this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about what the insert section looks like in the premium version and inside of the desktop app for OneNote users. This is a little bit different from the last video I showed, which was in the free online version. So if you don't have to have the premium version, feel free to go ahead and skip ahead to our next video. I went ahead and made a new section here for us to look at the different examples. So you can already see up top the difference in this and the online version. We have a plethora of options here up top versus instead of the online version, we could really only do a file attachment, file printout, your table, and then of course your audio and video. So already here I want to show you the difference between what videos look like on here versus inside of the online version. So in the online version we can attach a link to a video, but inside of the desktop version you can click on this insert for the online video file, and we can copy and paste a YouTube video offline or somewhere else, and then click on the OK, and as you'll see it automatically goes here to update it. And you can play the video directly from here. So this is a really handy tool if you have people that are viewing this page so that they can look at the videos directly on OneNote without having to go to a separate browser. Something a little bit different about this too is that you can record a video versus just record the audio. So I think this is a really handy tool if you have a document camera and you want to record a lesson that you're giving on the document camera. This would be a great feature for you to use instead of the desktop version. One of my favorite features that we have on the desktop version is adding in a spreadsheet. So we're going to go ahead and click on the spreadsheets. We're going to click on existing spreadsheet here. So we'll click on one of the ones that we have pulled up, which is club rosters. And we're going to go to insert spreadsheet. If I just want the file, then I can click on that. And it may take a minute for it to come in and upload depending on how large that your file is. And if you'll give it just a second, it will pull up. And here we have each section of our spreadsheet. So this is section 1 here. There's our section 2, 3, and so on. It hasn't pulled all of it up because this particular file has a lot of different pages to it. So if I wanted to edit whatever is here is on the Excel, I can go up to the left-hand corner and click on Edit. And it's going to take a second to pull that up. And here it is, it's pulled it up. And I can go ahead and edit whichever name I want to in here. So let's go ahead and change this to Test Example Student. And then I'm going to click on the Exit button. We will click Save. And then if I wanted to update here on my page, I can go to the right-click button and click on Refresh. And it will have to update again. And give it a minute, and you'll see there's our refresh example, and there's the test example student that we replaced the original student name with. Outside of your Excel spreadsheets, another feature that I like on the desktop version in terms of inserting content is a screen clipping tool here. So I can click on the screen clipping, and it's going to open that up, and I can go ahead and copy or clip out the section that I want, and it automatically will insert it into the page. I think this is a really handy tool to have if there's only a section of a worksheet that you want, or if there's a section of some online content that you want to put in here. This is a great tool to use. The last thing I want to show you guys is this feature that is something that you can download with your Microsoft account, and it's called stickers. And I just think that the stickers are a lot of fun. It's just kind of a fun feature that you have instead of the desktop version. And it will take a little bit to load up sometimes. And you can see you have all these different stickers that you can add into your Microsoft OneNote. So we'll go ahead and put that one in here. And I'll close out of the stickers. 1 second. and then I can move this around on my page. There are a lot of different fun features within the stickers that you can do, especially when we get into having our classroom notebook. So hopefully this has been a little bit informative about some of the differences between the online version and the premium desktop version. Instead of our next video, we're going to begin talking about some of the other features of OneNote, in specific the draw feature, and how you would use that with some of your inserted content.